All right, today we're breaking down ScalePlus. It's a platform making a massive promise to completely replace your entire business tech stack. Now, for a lot of us, that sounds almost too good to be true, right? So in this explainer, we're going to dig in and see what it is, how it works, and who it's really for. So let's just start with a quick question for all you agency owners, coaches, and entrepreneurs out there. And I mean, really think about it for a second. How many different software subscriptions are you paying for right now? 5, 10, maybe even more? And how much of your actual day is spent just trying to get all those tools to talk to each other? I love this quote because it just perfectly captures that feeling, doesn't it? For so many businesses, the reality is this fragile system held together by duct tape and code. You've got all your essential tools connected by this web of integrations, and you're just kind of hoping that one little update doesn't bring the whole thing crashing down. And that whole experience, that fragility, it really gets to the heart of the problem with most platforms that call themselves all-in-one. They promise simplicity, but what you often get is, well, a totally different story. You know, what's really important to see here is how all these problems are connected. It's not just about the money pouring out every month for all those subscriptions. It's the hidden cost. I mean, every single hour you spend fixing a broken connection is an hour you're not spending on strategy or serving your clients. Your customer data is all over the place, so you never get the full picture. And you end up with tools that are just okay at a bunch of things instead of great at one.
So, if that's the chaos we're all living in, what's the alternative? This is where ScalePlus claims to offer a completely different way of thinking about your tech.
Instead of a messy patchwork of different apps, ScalePlus is built as a true ecosystem. And the key phrase here is from day one. The whole idea is that every single one of these 33 plus apps was built by the same team to work together perfectly. It means no more Zapier, no more weird workarounds. It's all designed to just work. And this is a really important distinction they're making. This isn't one tool that's trying to do everything. The claim is that it's a unified platform built from the very beginning with two very specific kinds of business owners in mind. And that's super important, so let's break that down. To really get how it's all structured, we need to look at the three main parts of the platform. Think of them as the three core pillars. One for client services, one for digital marketing, and a really fascinating third pillar that's all about AI. Okay, let's jump into that first pillar. This is built specifically for anyone who serves high-touch clients. So we're talking agencies, consultants, coaches, any business that's built on real relationships, not just a simple online checkout. And this just lays out the whole journey perfectly. It's a complete, seamless workflow. You start by finding your ideal prospect, then you book them right into your calendar. From there, you can manage that whole conversation in your CRM, and when you're ready, you send the invoice and get the contract signed, all in the same place. It's the entire client lifecycle from hello to a done deal. All right, pillar number 2, this is for the digital marketers and the online creators out there. You know, the folks selling courses, running membership sites, and launching products online. Now, if you've been in the online space for a while, this suite of tools might look a little familiar. That's because this is the really powerful marketing platform that used to be known as Groove.cm, and it's now a core pillar inside ScalePlus. It's got the whole shebang, a funnel and page builder, zero-fee checkouts, email automation, course and membership hosting, affiliate management, even a blog and full-blown e-commerce stores. Okay, now for the third pillar, and this is where things get really forward-thinking. This suite is basically your new AI-powered team, and it's designed to automate your marketing and maybe even replace some of those expensive freelancers you're hiring. This slide really just nails the difference in how you'd work. Instead of that whole back and forth with a copywriter, you just tell an AI agent your campaign goal, and it writes the copy for you. Instead of waiting for a designer, you use another tool to generate professional images instantly. It's about shifting from managing people to directing intelligent tools. So, when you bring all three of these pillars together, the client services, the digital marketing, and the AI growth, what's the big picture? What does this all really mean for your business? Well, the most immediate thing you'd feel is just consolidation. We're talking about the real possibility of canceling over 33 separate subscriptions and replacing them with one single platform that was actually built to work together from the very start. And really, that's the ultimate goal here. It's to get rid of all that tech friction, you know, the duct tape, the constant worrying, the wasted hours. The idea is to put your operations on autopilot so you can finally get back to focusing on what actually moves the needle: your strategy, your clients, and your growth. So look, if you were just tired of the chaos of juggling a dozen different apps and you want to see how this ecosystem actually works for yourself, we've put a link for you to learn more right in the description below. And we'll just leave you with that question to think about. I mean, imagine what you could create, how much faster you could move, what level of service you could provide if you never had to worry about your tech stack again. What could you build?